Oh, we got a half cab. My wife is happy. She gets to see an early Bronco half cab, Joe Rizzo.
All right, guys, now we got a treat. We've got Justin from Wild Horses 4x4. I love you guys in the Bronco.
All right, Joe, let's show them what this early Bronco can do.
We're going to send them out. We got a few more patches and some free stuff. But you guys know how it goes. We need you to make some noise, Justin. Get out there and get
Justin, make a horse for it, though, Justin. Come on. If you compliment his eyes, he'll probably give you something. Let's be honest. Oh, you got Joe.
I don't hear anything.
Justin, they gotta work for it, man. Come on.
Come back in here.
No more free stuff unless they're screaming. Let's go, Joe. Joe Rizzo in the half cab.
Get some free stuff.
Oh, all right. We got that tire about half off. Mr. Rizzo's calm. He doesn't care. All right, what are we doing? We hooking winch up yet? No, Morgan's keeping him going.
I think Justin.
All right, we got a front pulling.
Justin, you got winded?
We're taking a measurement here. Early Bronco class, what was that measurement? One last time for us, please. 87 and a half, guys. Give it up for Mr. Rizzo.